Our topic for today is multiplying and dividing rational algebraic expressions. We will start with multiplying. To multiply rational algebraic expressions, multiply the numerators of the given expressions to form the new numerator. So, para makuha natin yung numerator ng product, minumultiply natin numerator by numerator. Next, multiply the denominators of the given expressions to form the new denominator. So, para naman makuha yung denominator ng ating product, we just multiply denominator by denominator. If the numerator and denominator have common factors, it is recommended to factor them first, then eliminate common factors. So, ang process kasi talaga ng multiplying rational algebraic expressions is we multiply the numerators and then we multiply the denominators. Pero pagka yung may common factor sila or may factorable expressions tayo, we factor them first, then we eliminate common factors. Mamaya, ituturo ko sa inyo ano yung ibig sabihin ng eliminate. Let's have this example. So, find the product of 2s over 4k and 3 over 2k squared. The numerator 2s and denominator 2k squared have common factor which is 2. So sabi nga kanina, bago tayo mag-proceed sa numerator by numerator multiplication, denominator by denominator multiplication, kailangan mag-factor muna tayo kung may nakita tayong common factor. So here are the factors of 2s and 2k squared. So napakahirap, di ba? Ang hirap i-factor niyan. So as you can see, pinagpareho ko ng kulay yung common factor natin, and then we will eliminate that. When we say eliminate, para siyang tinatanggal dun sa expression, pero technically, a number is just divided by itself. So yung 2, dinivide by itself. When we divide a number by itself, the answer is 1. And if we multiply 1 by a number, the answer is the number. So yung 2 over 2 natin naging 1. Pag minultiply natin sa s yung 1, s pa rin yung sagot. Pag minultiply natin yung 1 sa k squared pa rin yung sagot. So, parang nawawala lang yung 2 over 2, pero actually, naging 1 siya. Note that we cannot eliminate common factors from numerator to numerator comparison. It's only for numerator-denominator comparison. Kasi, minsan, may common factors tayo, numerator to numerator lang. We do not eliminate those. Ang in-eliminate lang natin ay yung numerator to denominator na common factors kasi nga division tayo. Kaya tayo nakakapag-eliminate. Now, makikita nyo rin dyan, meron din tayong 4k. Yung 4k, pwede rin siyang 2k, diba? Times 2. Pwede rin naman na yun ang i-factor mo. Then, eliminate mo rin yung 2 doon. Pero once na na-eliminate mo na yung 2 doon with the numerator 2, hindi mo na pwedeng i-eliminate si 2 kay 2k squared. So, pag nag-eliminate ka, yan na yung mangyayari. We multiply numerator by numerator. We multiply denominator by denominator. So, that's the final answer. Next example. Multiply y squared minus y minus 2 all over 5y and 10y over y plus 1. So, here, we will try factoring the numerator to see if it can have a common factor to any of the denominators. Actually, kahit hindi lang siya sa numerator, pero kahit anong expression ng factorable, if-factor muna natin before we multiply them. So, y squared minus y minus 2 is factored as the product of y plus 1 and y minus 2. Then, pwede rin naman natin i-factor si 10y and 5y. Kaya, the factors are like that. Then, we will eliminate y plus 1 and 5y. So, matitira na lang is y minus 2, and then natira sa kabila is 2. So, the final answer is 2 times the binomial y minus 2. Then, we still simplify this as 2y minus 4. For the third example, so same as the second example, we will factor the numerator to see if it can have a common factor to any of the denominators. So actually, we will also factor 5x plus 5. So here are the factored forms of the numerator and the denominator. Then, we will eliminate x minus 3 and 5. So there we have x plus 2 over x plus 1. That's the final answer. We will now have dividing rational algebraic expressions. Before that, you have to understand reciprocal. So for reciprocal, that's 1 divided by the given polynomial. So for example, the reciprocal of 2x is 1 divided by 2x, or 1 over 2x. Then the reciprocal of 3x over 4y is 1 divided by 3x over 4y, or 4y over 3x. So in short, the numerator and denominator are exchanging places. So pinagpapalit lang natin ng pwesto yung numerator and denominator. Let's have more examples of finding reciprocal. 2x over x minus 1. The reciprocal is x minus 1 over 2x. Then 10y over x plus 6. The reciprocal is x plus 6 over 10y. 6 over x plus 4, that's the reciprocal. And x minus 3 over 2, here's the reciprocal. So, kitang-kita, di ba? Pinagpapalit lang si numerator and denominator. Now, we have the next example. This example, we get the reciprocal of m minus 2 over m minus 1, then proceed to multiplication. We get the reciprocal of the divisor. So, ang divisor kasi, doon mo dinidivide yung ating first fraction. So, si m over 2, dinivide siya kay m minus 2 over m minus 1. Kaya yun yung ating kukuhanin na reciprocal. Then, i-change natin into multiplication yung ating process. So, naging ganyan na yung ating expressions. So, m over 2 is multiplied by m minus 1 over m minus 2. So, di ba, pinagpalit lang natin yung numerator and denominator. No more common factors, kaya pinagmultiply na lang numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. And that's the final answer. Next example. Again, we will get the reciprocal of the divisor, then proceed to multiplication. So, that's the reciprocal of the divisor, and we changed the division operation to multiplication. Then, we will factor the factorable expressions to check if there are common factors to eliminate. Those are the factors of k squared minus 25 and k squared plus 6k plus 5. Then, we will eliminate the common factors now. The common factors are k plus 5 and k minus 5. There, you can see, ang natira na lang ay k plus 5 times k plus 1. So, the final answer is the product of the binomial k plus 5 and k plus 1. Simplifying further, that's the final answer. For our last example, same process, we will get the reciprocal of the divisor, then proceed to multiplication. So, the reciprocal of 6 over 35x plus 5 is 35x plus 5 over 6. Then we will factor the factorable expressions. We factored 28x plus 4 and 35x plus 5. Now, let's eliminate 6 and then 7x plus 1. So, what remained is 5 over 4, and that's the final answer. So, that's all for multiplying and dividing rational algebraic expressions. Till next video. Bye!